Hi guys, welcome to today's training. I hope we've learned something from the previous training and I hope we are working on our assignments. I am looking forward to getting a feedback from each and every one of us. So if you're new here, welcome to AI Acceleration Program organized by Hartech Africa. My name is Selina and I will be your digital marketing strategist for today. So for the purpose of this class, we'll be talking about campaign execution. And under this campaign execution, we'll be looking at how to generate email copy, ad copy, landing page copy. And for the purpose of this class, we'll be making use of HubSpot campaign assistance. Yes, so HubSpot campaign assistant. So let's just get right into it. So just go to your Chrome browser, then type in HubSpot campaign assistant. Right, then you click on this. Then you'll be asked to generate hard copy. Now, if you have an HubSpot account, you can just sign into HubSpot in order for you to be able to access this HubSpot assistant, or you can just sign in with your Gmail address. If you don't have either of them, maybe you don't have an HubSpot account, you can always sign up with your Gmail account. So I'll be making use of my Gmail accounts. Right. So what industry? Alright, so we've been able to successfully create our accounts. Now you'll be asked, okay, so what do you want to create first? So remember I said for the focus of this class we'll be creating email copy, landing page copy, and ad copy. So let's look into what we have. For this HubSpot assistant, we can create a landing page, a marketing email copy, a Google search, and adverts, Facebook ads, and even a LinkedIn ads. So let's start with the landing page copy. Now you'll be asked to tell what your landing page is all about. So let's do this. So have your what you want to talk about, like what your business is all about, and ensure that your description is very concise and focused. Okay. Focused. Okay. Marketing training for both corporate and individuals, websites, development, and providing digital marketing services. So the next thing you want to talk about are your key selling points. So what is going to make your landing page stand out, or what makes your business stand out? Let's just do that. What makes your business stand out? So let's say excellent delivery. Right, then we have next, our call to action. What action do you want your audience to take? So you can do sign up, subscribe, try for free. So let's just go with learn more. Then your writing style, I want informative, creative, and let's say friendly, right? Then you click on generate landing page copy. So the AI tool is going to generate your landing page content based off all the information you've shared. Can you see? So this is what I said about my landing page. Telebrand, what I want my audience to know me for, the call to action, and so on and so forth, right? Then note that you can always click on this pencil to edit the copy, right? If there's something you want to change, you can always click on it to change. If you want to change something, you can always click on it to change whatever it is you want to change. So this is our landing page copy. We have unlock the potential of digital marketing today. So it talks a bit about what Telebrand is all about, exceptional delivery and support, quality work that drives results, and learn more. That's the call to action, right, for our landing page. Then if you are creating your landing page, of course you can add images to support this. Can you see? So since we generated the landing page copy, let's also go ahead to generate the ad copy, right? So we've done landing page copy, we'll go ahead to do the ad copy. You can also edit your landing page, like I said. So you can just click on next, then edit. You can edit this, or you click on the pencil icon, like I said, like I earlier mentioned, right? So next, can you see? So HubSpot even has a landing page that you can you see it? So they just initially just draft it out for you. Can you see the way it is? So you can upload your logo, put in your menu, and so on and so forth and so forth. This can also serve as a sales funnel for you. So you can use your landing page as a means to generate leads for your business. Do you understand what I'm saying? So this is the landing page. If you want to edit it to look into a proper website, you can also make use of the HubSpot Academy. So let's continue what we're doing. So for now, let's generate a marketing email, right? So giving them this information that we have, you can also click on it to edit whatever it is you want to edit. But given this information that we have, we want to generate an email marketing copy. If you want can you say what is your marketing email about? So let's say I want my marketing email to be about a training I have coming up. I can say digital marketing training for business owners. So to equip them with the right tool to advertise their business. Okay, perfectly. Okay, the right tool and knowledge, right, needed to advertise their business perfectly. So the investment, how much is the training? It's 20,000, right? Okay, so what do I want the audience to know about as regarding the email? Then what do I want my audience to do? I want them to sign up. So I can just click on sign up for this. Then I click on generate content. Can you see? So the next thing is that HubSpot is going to create an email marketing campaign for me, right? So it says transform your business with expert training tailored just for you. So it just talks about what Telebrand is all about, our expert guidance, and how much the training is all about. So you can use this to generate your ad copy, your email marketing copy. Just ensure that you already have what you want your email to be all about, right? And ensure that your description is as concise as possible. like you already know what you want to put into the prompts or the description before you go ahead to generate your copy. Then as much as possible, you can also, if you want to create or if you want to click for Facebook ads, you can also click on Facebook ads. So for the Facebook ads, I want it to be the same, talking about the same thing. So I can just click on generate content, right? So it will just generate the content that you can use for your Facebook ads. Can you see? So unlock your business potential with Celebrant hands-on digital marketing training today. So it just gives you an idea of how your campaign can look like. Can you see? Transform your advertising strategy with expert-led training at Celebrant for business success, and so on and so forth. It just gives you different ideas that you can use to advertise your business, that you can use to create your campaign, and so on and so forth. So you can generate as many assets as possible. Like I said, you can generate your landing page copy, your Google search ads, your marketing email, your Facebook ads, and your LinkedIn ads. Of course, you know that when you generate them, then you take them to the platform with which you want to run the campaign. Then you run the campaign from there. If you need help with anything, you can always tell it, okay, how about if we do this? Just change your prompts, right? Change your prompt to suit whatever it is you want, and it's going to generate it based on your request. I hope you learned something from this video, and I look forward to seeing our own prompts, and I look forward to seeing seeing us execute our campaign. I look forward to seeing us execute our campaign copies, right? And I'll see you in the next training. Bye for now. If you have any question, before I forget, if you have any question, do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can always message me on IG at Celebrant, or you send me an email at celebrantmedia@gmail.com, and I'll see you in the next training. Bye for now.